You're definitely making one or more of these mistakes in the audio for your YouTube videos, and it's preventing you from getting a high quality recording. Here's 16 common audio mistakes that you should avoid, and I'll give you practical solutions to achieve high quality audio. Some of these are often overlooked, but all are crucial for great sound. First up, using poor quality microphones. A good external microphone can drastically improve your audio quality. A great affordable choice to start with is the Audio-Technica ATR 2100X USB mic. Did you know that the way that you breathe can impact your audio? Proper breathing techniques can help you speak more clearly and avoid unwanted noise. This involves taking deep, controlled breaths from the diaphragm rather than shallow breaths from the chest. Try taking a deep breath before speaking and exhaling slowly as you deliver your lines. This can help you speak more clearly and avoid unwanted noise in your recordings. Let's talk about room acoustics. Hard surfaces reflect sound and cause echo. Reduce this by adding soft materials to your room like pillows and blankets, or invest in some foam sound panels. That bracelet that you have on, or that material that you're wearing, it may be causing some unwanted noise, so make sure to wear soft, non-rustling clothes and minimal jewelry during recording. One mistake to avoid is not using a pop filter. This can lead to those annoying popping sounds caused by P and B sounds. A pop filter prevents this and is a simple and affordable solution that can drastically improve your audio quality. Did you know that dehydration can affect your voice? Keep a water bottle handy and stay hydrated, especially before recording. Always aim to record in a quiet environment. Make sure that you turn off your air conditioner or dryer, or if you have kids, go into a different room while you're recording. Make your environment as silent as possible. And remember to always have a backup. Sometimes things go wrong. Your microphone might fail or a file might get corrupted. Having a backup audio source like a phone recording can save you from having to re-record. Our next common mistake is inconsistent levels. Monitor and adjust your levels for consistent, clear audio. Aim for -12 to -6 dB for your audio levels. Let's not overlook the impact of weather and environment. Rain, wind, or street noise might get picked up. Always consider your environment and adapt accordingly. Mistake number 11, ignoring post-production. Software like Audacity, which is free, can help enhance your audio by reducing noise, equalizing sound, and normalizing volume. Check out the video above to learn how to clean up your audio. Let's talk about electrical devices. They can sometimes cause a humming or buzzing sound in your recording, so try to limit the number of electrical devices near your recording area. This could be the sound of a computer fan or a fluorescent light. Even if these sounds are not noticeable to the human ear, they can be picked up by a sensitive microphone and create unwanted background noise in your recording. To avoid this, try to record in a space that's free from electronic interference or turn off any electronic devices that are not necessary for your recording. Next, not taking the time to learn your equipment is a common mistake. Spend some time understanding your gear and how to get the best sound out of it. But also remember, just like singers, speakers can benefit from warming up their voice before recording. This can help control the pitch and the tone of your voice, leading to a more pleasant listening experience for your audience. Our next common mistake is trying to record all in one go. It's okay to take breaks. This will help you maintain a consistent energy and sound throughout your video. And finally, your mental state. If you're stressed or anxious, it might show in your voice. Ensure that you're in the right frame of mind before you start recording. A calm mind can lead to a pleasant and calm voice. Remember, audio is half your video content. Your viewers may forgive less than perfect video quality, but if they can't hear you properly, they're likely to click away. Invest time in getting your audio right. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow content creators, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating, keep improving, and as always, keep sounding great.